Welcome back to Peach Maths, the best channel in the business. Now we're going to talk about the mode and the range, how we find them. Now the song that I gave before, the mode is the one that you see the most, and the range is the difference between. Okay, so the mode, we're going to see the mode as the most popular value, and the range is going to be the biggest, take the smallest value. Alright, now we can get the mode from the bar chart below. Okay, so you can see here the different drinks at the bottom, and we can see the biggest bar is the most popular. So the most popular drink is hot chocolate. So the mode will be hot chocolate. Alright, we can't get the range because you can't do a hot chocolate take away Coca-Cola. Okay, so moving on, we can find the mode and the range from a set of values, alright, from the data below. So looking here, which is the most popular score? We can see 2 comes out twice, as does 6 comes out twice as well. So it's bimodal. You can have 2 modes, so you put 2 and 6. Okay, that is bimodal, which means more than one mode. The range, biggest take the smallest, so you got 10, take away 2, gives you 8 for the range. Okay, your next one, we've got a 3, 3, 8 and an 8. So again, it's bimodal, we've got 3 and 8. For the range, the biggest value is 11, take away 3 is also 8 for the range. Right, your next one, we have 1 of each number. Okay, so you put here no mode. There's 1 of each, they're all equal, so there's no most popular score. The range is the biggest one, which is 9, take a minus 1. Okay, so just be careful, you don't do 9 take 1, we do 9 take your minus 1. A minus and a minus makes a plus. Alright, 9 plus 1 is 10, so 10 is the range. Right, for your next one, we've got 11 appears twice, so that is the mode, and the biggest take the smallest, you've got 15, take 2 equals 13. Alright, nice and easy. For the next set of data, 2 appears 3 times. So we say 2 is the mode, and the range, you've got 15 is the biggest, and minus 3 is the smallest. So it's 15, take minus 3. A minus and a minus, you know, makes a plus. And 15 plus 3, 18 is the range. Now, you may also be asked to write a set of data to suit a mode below. And there can be many, many different correct answers. Alright, infinite amounts. Got to write 5 numbers that have a mode of 7. Okay, so 7 is the most popular. We could put all 7s, and we could put 4 7s and a 5. Okay, infinite correct answers, but 7 must be the most popular. One that's bimodal. Okay, so it must have 2 modes. Alright, so we've got 5 numbers to pick from. So let's say we have 8, 8, 6, 6, and 1. Again, there's infinite numbers there, you can just keep going and going, as long as you have 2 that are both the mode. Okay, and the one on the end can be any different number you like. Right, moving on, we're going to write 5 numbers that have a range of 8. Okay, so it can be any numbers you like that have a difference of 8 from the smallest to the biggest. So let's say I have a 1 here. 1 plus 8 is 9, so therefore I've got a difference of 8 straight away. I can have any 3 in between, that are in between 1 and 9. So I might have 8, 5 and 2. Again, many different correct answers there. Alright, but ours suits 9 take 1 is 8, and there's no mode given to us. But your question D, a mode of 6 and a range of 10. Okay, so I'm going to say, right, let's do a 6 4 times. So 6 is the most popular. To have a range of 10, I'm going to add 10 to the 6 to give us 16. I could take 10 away, alright, give us -4. And again, many different correct variations here. Now a mode of 10. So 10 is the most popular. A range of 4, alright, we can take 4 away, we can add 4 on. I'm going to add 4 on there. The next one, a mode of 7 and a range of 7. So this time I can take 7 away, I'm going to make it a 0. But there's many different correct answers there that you could pick from. Right, the next one, question G, a little bit harder. This time we've got 6 numbers, bimodal, a range of 11, and one of the modal values must be 15. Okay, so let's do 2 of each. So we're going to say we have a 15, a 15. Okay, let's do a 14, a 14. Alright, so it's bimodal so far. Okay, a range of 11. So let's do 15 plus 11 is 26. And I can have any number that's less than 26. Okay. Oh, sorry. 14 plus 11 is 25. My mistake. And we can have one that's less than 25. Let's say have 20 on its own. Okay, so we can see that 11 plus 14 is 25. That's the range done. It's bimodal. Okay, and one of them is 15. Right, question 4. We're given a grouped frequency table. Okay, many people go wrong here. All right, we're asked to find the modal class and the range. So the modal class means which one of these is the most popular category. So you can see here, this has the highest frequency. It came out 10 times, so we say the modal class is 60 to 70, all right, not 10, because that is the most popular category out of them all. The range, okay, that's the largest speed, take away the smallest speed. Now it's going to be a bit of an estimate because it's less than 80. So for the range, you pick the largest possible value, take away the smallest value, 80, take away 40, equals 40 for the range. Okay, right, thank you all for listening. I'll see you again soon.